In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you where you can locate and manage adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. If the shortcut is blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same one. You can also access devices settings, click on display, and tap on adaptive brightness. Then click on this switcher next to it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!